How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to Instagram story. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can add highlights on your Instagram without having to add it to your Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First of all, open up your Insta. After you open it up, simply add a story. Now after you've added a story, what you'll then need to do is tap on the three dots on the bottom right and you will see the archive option. Tap on archive and now your story has been archived, and as you can see there is no story for anyone else to see. Now what you'll need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right after you're on your profile section. After you tap on it, you will see the archive option. Tap on archive and right there you should see your story that you just archived. Now open it up and you will see the highlight option. Tap on a highlight and you can either add it to already existing highlights or create a new one. So I'll just create a new one and add it. Now if you go back to your profile now, you should see that you have just added a highlight and you don't really have a story yet. And yeah, that is basically how you add highlights on Instagram without adding to your story. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.